S H sh 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 S H sh 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 S H sh 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 and sleeping. C H ch 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 C H ch 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 C H ch ch ch. Do the chicken cha cha ch 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 ch. This is a thorn and this is a thistle. T H T H T H T H the T H the T H the O W out 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 O W out 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 O W out out out. We get down. This is how we get down 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 with a cow cow cow. O U out 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 O U out 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 O U out out out. Get out of here, you bumblebee. Ow! I have a hook. Ooh, ooh, ooh. School is cool. ING, in. ALL, all. This is how you throw a ball. AR, stick your arm in a jar of stars. Arr. OR, or. OR, or. I want some more fish. O said to A, I love you, and A said absolutely nothing. So if you see O-A, just say O, O. IGH, I. The light is bright. Scaredy cat E and scaredy cat A, put them together, and what do they say? E. When you see double E, say E like a bumblebee party. E. A said to Y, hey, do you want to play? Dribble, shoot, score, hooray! A said to I, hey, get out of my way. I'm saying A today. A. E-I-G-H, A. Going for a ride on a motorcycle. Rev up your motorcycle. I are you are But it's ER says at the end of a word. O-Y, oi, at the end of a word. O-I, oi, in the middle of a word. T-I-O-N, shun. S-I-O-N, shun. When you see P-H, don't say P-H, you say. When you see K-N, don't say K-N, you say Shh, don't wake the W. Sounds like T. It sounds like D, but it's E-D in the past. W-H. What in a question word. Who, what, when, where, why, and which. A-W. Aw, see his little paw. A-U. Aw, A-U-G-H. Aw, my little daughter. O-W. O. I-O-N. Yun. E loves the W. Ew. U-N-I. Ew. That's Bruce Fruit.